Hey, what's up? This is my 2022 Honda Civic with 212s. I've had them for about a week. I drove across the country a few hours after putting them in. Had no issues. I've driven to work all week with no issues. You do not need to go to a shop to get these installed. You can do it yourself. It is not hard. So I just plugged it into the factory head unit. I can show you that. I use a line output converter. I bought it at AutoZone for $25. I saw someone using LCI2. That thing is like 125 bucks. You could buy this AutoZone $25. It's a Mercer. I believe it's called a Metra line output converter. It's wired into the power. This head unit uses the same wiring as the 2020 Honda Civic that you can find on the online on the forum. It's wired into the power from the head unit, grounded right here on a bolt. Takes in positive, negative, front, right, and left speakers. And the remote wire is this yellow one that runs to my amp. These RCA outputs run to my amp as well. It is that simple. You could take this all apart yourself with a pry tool. You get an AutoZone $8 for that kit. The fuse, it's just hooked up to my battery. It's pretty standard. Right there. I ran the 4 gauge from the battery through this rubber down here. You cut a small hole through it. You got to take the battery out, and it's right behind that. Got to come in this way through the firewall. Anyway, back here, it's just normal speaker wire to the amp, from the amp to the sub. This is the remote coming from that yellow wire behind the factory head unit. This is coming from the battery that I ran down here. And this is grounded right here. I don't know if you could see that. Right here. Just on this bolt. Bass knob. I saw someone did a video on them wiring the line output converter back here, but I found it was easier to do it up there. So you could definitely run this down here, which I plan on taking apart this weekend and looking into it. Hopefully trying to make this look a little better. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like.
All the cars camouflage, baby, for real though. What's the feeling, bitch? What's good?
All I know is disrespect. Niggas ain't been in the field. You gotta work. Niggas ain't doing no drills. I never